Hello, so here I have a few tips for wearing your Redmi Watch 5 Active comfortable and effective. So first of all, remember to actually wear it snug but not tight. So you will have to, basically the watch actually should sit snugly on your wrist without being too tight, or so it can actually accurately track your heart rate and movements without causing discomfort. So that's how it actually looks in my Apple Watch. It's actually set like that. Then when I'm gonna grab this strap with the two fingers, I can easily actually rise and let this device go above my skin. But when I'm gonna put it like too tight, I will be not able to do this. So remember about this one. Also, you will have to wear it about one finger width above your wrist bone for the best fit and sensor accuracy. So you cannot actually put it too high or too low. You will have to get this easy wrist movement. So the watch actually cannot block your wrist when you are doing some base activities during the day. And also what is very important, that if you wear it daily, you will have to clean the band with a soft damp cloth to keep it free of sweat and dirt, which actually helps to prevent skin irritation. And also you have to take care of your sensors. So like just take it off from your hand for like 2 or 3 days and then clean this. And that's basically all tips that I can give you about wearing this device properly. Thanks for watching.